What makes yoga effective for stress relief?
Yoga combines physical movement, controlled breathing, and mindfulness, creating a holistic practice that calms both the body and mind. Studies show regular yoga lowers stress hormones like cortisol while promoting relaxation. Practicing yoga helps people develop skills for coping with stress and anxiety in daily life. This makes yoga a highly recommended tool for stress reduction by many health professionals.
How does yoga calm the mind?
Much of yoga's stress-relieving power comes from deep, focused breathing and meditation. These elements help slow your heart rate, lower blood pressure, and encourage mental clarity. Concentrating on your breath and movements brings attention to the present moment, helping to break the cycle of worry and overthinking. This mindful awareness is a major reason why yoga is so calming.
What are the best yoga poses for stress relief?
Gentle and restorative poses are especially helpful for reducing stress. Common poses include child's pose, legs up the wall, cat-cow, and corpse pose. These poses encourage relaxation, release muscle tension, and can be practiced by beginners. Holding these poses for several breaths allows both body and mind to unwind, making them easy tools for everyday stress management.
Can beginners practice yoga for stress relief?
Absolutely. Yoga is accessible to all ages and fitness levels. Many routines focus on simple, gentle movements and guided breathing, making them beginner-friendly. Starting with short sessions just a few times a week can yield noticeable benefits. Over time, you can explore more poses and longer sessions as your comfort and flexibility improve.
How often should you do yoga to reduce stress?
Even a few sessions a week can lead to benefits, but consistency matters most. Experts suggest practicing yoga 3 to 5 times per week, with each session lasting 20 to 60 minutes. Some people find daily yoga, even if brief, helps maintain a calm and balanced mood. The key is finding a routine that fits your lifestyle and feels sustainable.